Hello friends, see you again with me Supercar. In this video I will review the 2023 Hyundai Palisade Interior. Watch the video until it's finished so you know what is being upgraded to the 2023 Hyundai Palisade Interior. Continue to support the Supercar channel by giving likes, comments, subscribing, and tapping the bell so that you get other latest car videos. Interior, comfort and cargo. The SE and SEL seat 8 passengers, while the Limited and Calligraphy have second-row captain seats that reduce the number of passengers to 7. Either way, there's plenty of room in all 3 rows for occupants. The second row has a button to move the seats forward for easy access to the third row. Noise from the street is suppressed, however, a large amount of wind noise broke through the door. Power folding second and third row seats are on the SEL and standard on the Limited and Calligraphy. Cargo volume with all seats folded is 86 cubic feet, and the Palisade unloaded 33 carry-on luggage in our tests. With the second row in an upright position and the third row folded, the total storage is 46 cubic feet. With the third row used, the volume shrinks to 18 simple cubes. There is space under the load floor to store muddy or wet items. The cubicles on the doors are tight, but there's reasonable storage in and under the center console. Infotainment and connectivity. A 12.0-inch touchscreen infotainment display with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, dashboard navigation, SiriusXM satellite radio and Bluetooth connectivity as standard across all trims. Up to 7 USB ports are available and you can connect 2 Bluetooth devices at the same time. When equipped with Hyundai's Blue Link app service, the Palisade can be locked, unlocked, and started remotely via Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Safety features and driver assistance. In addition to standard safety equipment, almost every advanced safety system can be added to a higher trim level. For more information on the results of the Palisade crash test, key security features include standard automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, standard lane departure warning with the help of lane guards, standard adaptive cruise control with semi-autonomous driving mode. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Hyundai's warranty is one of the best in the business, highlighted by its 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain coverage for the vehicle's first owner. The company also now offers free scheduled maintenance that beats major competitors like Toyota. The limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. The powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Free maintenance is covered for 3 years or 36,000 miles. The 2023 Hyundai Palisade pricing. We expect its pricing to be similar to the 2022 model. Based on that assumption, pricing will likely start at about $34,000 for the base trim, and a fully loaded Calligraphy model with AWD will probably go up to about $49,000.